They say the universe is written in the language of math. But life is written in a code. 4 simple letters, repeating endlessly. And now, we can rewrite it. We have unlocked the edit button of existence. Its name is CRISPR. In the natural world, even bacteria have enemies, viruses that attack them. To survive, they built a memory system, storing fragments of the attacker's code. When the enemy returned, they hunted it down and cut it out. That defense system became CRISPR. Scientists looked at this and thought, what if we use this on ourselves? And just like that, we inherited a weapon from bacteria. One that lets us cut human DNA exactly where we want. Suppose a child is born with a deadly genetic disorder, a single wrong letter in their DNA, and their body begins to collapse. But now, with CRISPR, we can go in, slice the error, and replace it. Like correcting a typo in the book of life. We are not just healing diseases, we are editing the very definition of being human. 2018, 2 babies were born, edited in secret. Their DNA was changed before they even took their first breath. The world was horrified because this wasn't a medicine anymore. This was a design. Strength, intelligence, obedience, and beauty, all up for editing, all for sale. A world where your worth is coded before you are even born. Once we start customizing humans, what happens to those born naturally? Do they become obsolete? CRISPR isn't good or evil. It's a mirror. It reflects who we are and who we want to become. Do we use this gift to heal the sick or to sculpt the race of flawless, edited humans? We are no longer just reading the story of life. We are rewriting it. But the question remains, will this be our salvation or the beginning of something we can never undo?